Bantay sarado na sa parking lot, pasok pa rin ang long 3 ni Kit Jimenez. Tuloy ang pagpapasiklab Jimenez to Velchez connection, parang OG dayo lang. Koy Alves with the alley-oop hammer. All around gaming si T-Rex with rebound, decent assist, nag-showtime pa sa fast break, panisang sumabay. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video at i-follow ang ating Facebook.
Between Sarangani and Mindoro.
But if you swing it over to the defensive side,
He whips that pass to Ino Homeboy who drives. Corner pocket shot from Bam Bam Gamalinda is good. It's just the three-point shooting that's missing on that side of the floor as Richard Velchez.
more of a half-court slow break team as opposed to tingnan natin kung may fast break tayo. Very rare to get into that. Watch it.
Diputado.
Nasa 20% field goal make. A good cut and good finish.
Started by Bradley Vienes. Gozo, nice pass inside to kick the top of the key free. Short. Jimenez grabs the rebound.
Medyo maganda na yung conversion over the last few possessions between these two. Oh, that's way
Napakalayong
outside.
tres! Kinisik lang ni Kit Jimenez.
He took that off.
That's the miss.
Tama ka doon. He's their second best defensive rebounding guy. Kasi Kit Jimenez, about 5 point lead, one initiate and get the reads and stay him away from foul trouble. And a wing three, which he settled for the wing three. And good thing they got the offensive rebound.
Oh, what an athletic. Refugee Butado. Alves goes inside. Oh, great pass. Magaganda yung mga pasan. The homeboy has yet to get it going. Now he fires it free. That's fired. Rebound ends up with Sarangani. Ahead is Lars Sunga who lays it up and in.
Making him do a difficult pass. A three right here for Ino.
Malayo yan. Sedorifa, Bambam Gamalinda, Axel Inigo, Ino Homeboy, and Ashton.
You have to be consistent din na pagdepensa sa kanya.
Sedorifa, the extra feed, Homeboy, back to Joseph. Back-to-back freeze. The board. Inigo makes, drives, floats it up and in. 8-0 run.
Yeah.
Siyempre, kahit negosyo nag-e-evolve. Oy, Axel Inigo nakaagaw, Sunga can't hit it. Sedorifa is feeling it right now.
That part.
Sa loob, destacamento. Yes. Mangyari, sasalaksak sa loob. Ginamit ang kanyang...
Everything else almost the same.
Ito isa sa paboritong tira ni Ino Homeboy.
Why not? Coach Christian pa. Oh, what a move.
Oh, Ray Vienes. Toro, kasalukuyang shooting really well from the field. Coach Mike, 9 of 11. Kit Jimenez though, burning a free from the left wing. Cuts this lead down to 4 on their shot clock. Jimenez against Ramirez. Got bailed out by that. The one you saw earlier, the one with the cap, is that type of guy. 6'7", Coach Mike, but can run the floor.
Dami rin kasi nagbago ngayon.
Uy! Yan ang slam.
Standing around and waiting for Caliano to make a decision.
RJ to Ino.
Yan ang masakit. Pating pero una-una, feeling ko bagal nung cut. Taas rin ng pasa.
Buanga is at the top of the South Division right now as we see that
3-point attempts, averaging 20 and only 4 makes a game. Ooh, but
wala yung tres ng Mindoro.
that's the 10th 3-pointer already.
Tagal na rin yun ha. That was way back last month.
And we just go rotation para dito sa Sarangani.
And the right pass. Mindoro seems like they will bounce back from that heartbreak.
Out on the perimeter and one on the weak side of off ball.